Today we're going to talk about cabin filters, what they are and how often you should replace yours. Essentially, a cabin filter is the same type of filter that is in your furnace in your home, generally replaced every 6 months in your home. With these filters, it's recommended every 10 to 15,000 miles, essentially once a year for most people who are driving their vehicle regularly. It serves the same purpose as it filters air as it comes in from the outside to the blower motor. From there, it's distributed through the car via the HVAC system. As you can see, this is a dirty air filter. This is a brand new one. Essentially, once it stores enough dirt and debris, it's going to restrict the flow of the filter, which is why it's good to get them replaced once they're recommended. Most cars, they're located behind the glove box, so it's not an easy accessible place for you to get to them. Some cars, they're located towards the front in the hood cowl. We'll let you know when it needs to be replaced based on mileage. If you want it to be checked, request that when you're in here for service.